Hey, my friend is sleeping. If you can hear him under me. He's sleeping underneath me. Dude, he snores so loud. Look how long my hair is. I love it. Okay. My nose is messed up. I think. Whatever. Okay. Well, watch. I'm gonna put him on big screen. Watch. I'm gonna move the computer down there. See if you can see him. I'm on top bend. That's why. Can you hear him? Can you hear him? I don't know. Yeah. So. Look, I'm Abraham Lincoln. I declare war. Okay. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video. Yeah. Peace and love.